Hello guys, as promised, I'm going to show you how I added and toned highlights to this wig. I'm using this wig, which I've constructed, by the way, using 24-inch bundles and a closure from Black Shore Hair. First, I'm going to mix my bleach for the highlights. I'm using L'Oreal Quick Blue Bleach, 2 cap full. And I'm going to pour in 2.5 cap full of the 40 volume developer. Then I'm going to add this red and gold corrector and mix everything together. Leaving some of the perimeter out, I'm going to start highlighting the bottom row. Basically, I'm going track by track, with the foil being under the hair. I'm separating highlight sections using the tail of the comb. And you guys, this is so hard. Oh my goodness, like the hair colorists on YouTube make it so easy. I'm painting this section with the bleach that I just mixed. I try my best to color from the root. I also try my best to saturate the sections so there's no like missed spots or anything. Fold the foil and move on to the next track. Repeating the steps. As you can see, the hair is getting lighter. Now, I ran out of the bleach, so I'm going to wait extra 30 minutes and wash the bleach out. This is great because with the next batch of bleach, I'll be able to process the rest of the hair with the same amount of time. I'm washing the sections with purple shampoo. Now, since I only want to tone the highlights and not the rest of the hair, I'm going to be careful not to mix them in with the black hair, meaning like the rest of the hair. After thoroughly washing this section, I'm going to tie it away. This way, this section won't mix in with the black hair. And this is the color of the highlights thus far. It's time for me to work on the rest of the hair with new batch of bleach, sectioning off the highlights, then saturating them with bleach. Then folding it away and repeating the steps. Now I'm moving on to the closure. The hair is very thin. I'm creating much thinner highlights. And then I'm making sure the edges have nice amount of highlights as well. And here you can see that I'm adding some money piece. I'm going to tone the hair. I'm using this Wella Charm T18 toner, silver. Basically, for one bottle of this, you need 2 bottles full of 20 volume developer. By the way, I did not need 3 bottles, just one for 24-inch hair. Oh my goodness. I mixed 2 here, which was a total waste. Ugh. Moving on, I'm taking out the highlighted section, then saturating it with the toner. And I'm going to wait for another 40 minutes, then wash out the hair completely. And voila, it was easy, right? This is the result. This hair is still soft as ever, regardless of the bleaching and the processing. Oh my goodness, it's the best. Best hair ever. Thank you, Black Show Hair. So yeah, that was it. I hope you guys liked it and found this informative. If you have any questions or anything, just comment down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Mwah. Love you. God bless you.